guys, welcome back to another video where today we are doing a video on my fidget spinner. I told you on my last video that I'll do this video on Thursday night, which I'm doing right now. We're going to see how long this takes, and see how long this will take. So, this is my fidget spinner, it's a green one. First thing I'm going to do is we're going to start spinning. Oh wait, I just need to put the camera down. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Wow. It goes a lot more faster than that. I think I didn't get that much spin on it. Next we're going to try and bounce it on the nose. That was quite good. Now we're going to try and bounce. Don't know if this is going to work. I'm going to try and bounce it on my forehead. No, it's not going to work. I'm going to try and bounce it just on my finger. Okay, so next I'm going to do a try and chop some stuff. So at the moment, first thing, we've got a orange ring. I should really get a cut by now. So, this is the orange ring. This one is, I'm going to try and chuck it and try and... It didn't really do much, it made a little bit of a gap. I'm going to try and put it really fast. As well, it didn't make a dent. I'm going to try and just smash it through now. Yeah. Next, I'm going to try a tissue. I can't remember if I said paper or tissue, but I'm doing tissue. I wonder how you're supposed to do it like this. I'm going to try and do it. I'm going to wrap it and then I'm going to try and do it and see if it works. It sort of works. Doesn't work very good though. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want more fidget spinners, just say in the comments below. I do another one with my friends.